Welcome to our kitchen tips video. Today we'll learn how to measure 1/2 cup using only measuring spoons when you don't have a measuring cup available. Let's start with some helpful conversion facts. 1/2 cup equals 8 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon equals 3 teaspoons. Therefore, 1/2 cup equals 24 teaspoons. Most measuring spoon sets include these common sizes: 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon, and 1/4 teaspoon. Here's our first method using tablespoons. Simply count out 8 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For our second method, you can use teaspoons. Count out 24 teaspoons. To make this easier, count in groups of 6, making 4 groups. Here are some helpful tips. Use a small bowl to collect your measurements. Level off each spoonful for accuracy. Count out loud to avoid losing track. And remember to be patient. Accuracy is more important than speed. And there you have it. You can now accurately measure 1/2 cup using just your measuring spoons. Remember, 8 tablespoons or 24 teaspoons will give you the perfect 1/2 cup measure every time.